Let's go ahead and talk about this two-piece spring and summer lavender garland. Now, I am a sucker for some really good garland, and I love lavender in my home. I love the color of it. I love the smell of lavender. Of course, this is going to be the artificial lavender garland, but the color and the style and realistic of it is exactly the same. So this is going to be the two strands. Now, when you put the two strands together, it's going to be this thick, full, gorgeous lavender garland. It's going to have the simulation of lavender. So this can be used for a farmhouse. I'm going to put it in my bathroom. It can be used at a wedding. It can be used on a mantle, on a porch, stairs, table. I simply just place this on top of my wall using a few little nails, and I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous in a bathroom. Up against the khaki wall, it just pops. And in a bathroom, who doesn't love lavender? I was sent this garland to test out, and I absolutely approve. Very thick, very gorgeous, vibrant colors, and I love how thick and full it looks. I love a really thick garland, so that's a big deal to me.